Union Minister Prakash Javadekar on Tuesday said people who are 45 years and above can get vaccinated against the COVID-19 from April 1st. Now I'll give you all the step-by-step instructions about how you can register in this video. You're watching TV9 News and I'm your host Deepak. There are two ways of registering for the vaccination. So first, let me tell you about how you can register on the government web portal. So now let me show you how you can register for your vaccine schedule via the online portal of the CoWIN. So for that you will have to first Google search CoWIN, after which you will get results on the search results page. And without wasting any more time, just click on the first official link that you will get on the search results page, and once you click on that, on the top right corner you will see two options. One is register or sign in yourself, or register with Arogya Setu. Since this is an online web portal, you would want to click on this option which has been highlighted in yellow. And once you click on this, you will be redirected to this particular page here, and in this page you will have to enter your mobile number on which you will be getting your OTP, and this is the screen where you will have to enter the OTP that you will receive via SMS on the mobile number that you just entered. So once you verify the OTP that you received on your mobile phone, you will be redirected to this particular page here on the official website of CoWIN. So here you will have the option of to select the photo ID proof that you will be carrying to the vaccination center, and that ranges from Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card, passport to your pension book, and even you have the option of producing your NPR smart card or even your voter ID card. Since Aadhaar number is easy to remember and also easy to locate, you can select your photo ID proof option as Aadhaar card and enter all the details here. First you'll have to enter your Aadhaar card number, and then you will have to enter the name that you've mentioned on your Aadhaar card as it is, and also select your gender, after which you will be able to enter your date of birth, the year of birth as mentioned in the Aadhaar card. Another important thing that you will have to keep in mind is that the registration is open only for individuals with age 60 years or older, which is the birth year should begin at 1961 or earlier. And individuals with age of 45 years or older, as per the new announcement by the Union Minister Prakash Javadekar, you can avail the vaccine. And once you enter the date of the year in which you were born, you will get this option whether you have any comorbidities or pre-existing medical conditions. So the vaccine is currently available for only those who have comorbidities or pre-existing medical conditions. So if you have comorbidities, select yes, and then once you select that, you will be able to register, and after that you will be taken to this particular web page, which is you can schedule an appointment with the nearest vaccination center. And for you to schedule it, you'll have to click on the schedule button, and after that you will be given an option to enter your PIN code, or if you don't remember your PIN code, you can search it using this particular option which is search by district, and you can locate your particular address, and based on that you will be given, or rather results of clicking that button will take you to another home page where you'll be given a list of vaccination centers in your particular locality, and you can visit any one of those vaccination centers to get your first shot of vaccination. Now, I'll tell you how you can register for vaccination on Arogya Setu app. Now, the second way you can get yourself vaccinated is by registering on the Arogya Setu mobile app, and I will show you how you can do that using your mobile application. So, once you open the Arogya Setu mobile app, this is how the user interface will look like, and over here you have 4 different tabs. One is your status, COVID-19 updates, vaccination and CoWIN. So you will have to click on the vaccination tab, after which you will be redirected to this page where you'll have to enter your mobile number, and after you enter your mobile number you will be given an option to enter the OTP, and once you enter the OTP, you have successfully registered, but then you will have to again follow the same rules which we followed on the web portal, which is you will have to schedule your vaccination. So in order to schedule a vaccination, you need to click on the schedule vaccination button, after which you will get an option to enter your PIN code manually. And once you enter the PIN code, you can either select whether you want a free vaccination center, or if you want to pay for your vaccination, which is centers where private hospitals administer the vaccines, and you can get it done by paying them a minimum fare of 250 rupees, which is mandated by the government. So once you click on either one of these options, you will have to click on find a center, find a vaccination center, but then you will have to update your PIN code in this dialog box that is given or shown on your mobile application. And once that is done, you will either receive a list of the vaccination centers in your locality, or if there aren't any, you will not be shown the list of vaccine administration centers in your locality. So please do check on the online portal, which is much more efficient and much more reliable, and also much more fast, because you will be given real-time updates about the vaccination centers in your locality. But on the Arogya Setu app, you might not always find the vaccination centers in your given locality. Well, these are the simple steps that you can follow to get yourself vaccinated at the earliest. Be responsible, don't be complacent, and do not forget to share this video with your friends and family members. And also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 News on all social media platforms. Many thanks for watching.